Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can fix error code 279 in Roblox. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, what you're going to do is simply going to go ahead and check where you're having that problem. Is it in your app? Then if it is, then go ahead, go to your app store and go to search bar, type in Roblox to check out of your apps update. If it's not updated, then you will find update option. Go ahead, tap on the update option instead of open, and your app shall be updated and you're good to go. Next thing is checking your internet connection, because if it's not good, so whether you're in your app or in website accessing Roblox, you will have error occurring. So make sure to check the internet connection and switch to another network if this of the original one is not working, and that should help you out. If that is still not doing, then you can go ahead, if you're in browser, refresh it, refresh the tab or create new tab and again sign in. Or if it's the app, then go ahead, long press on it and delete and reinstall and relog in, and that should also help you out. That's basically, make sure to try them all and you're good to go. So I hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.